Dude, all of this is just insane.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, dude, so we've been hiking in the woods. We just got to this cave. Apparently it's 6 miles long. We got some rappelling to do. Let's get into this thing.
Ooh. I thought that was a spider. It was a cave cricket. Fell right into my face.
Oh yeah, there's definitely some cave crickets in here. Ooh. Dude, oh my god. Everywhere.
They're everywhere, man.
That's the most I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, dude. They're literally everywhere. Ah. Dude, now they're jumping on me.
What have I started?
Dude, oh my god. There's so many. Look up right here when you get here.
Bugs everywhere.
Dude, they're bouncing off my hands, everything. Little doorway right here. This cave is very shiny. Like everywhere. It's caused by a bunch of little bacteria in the water. There's a bolt right there. There's also an old bolt right there. What up?
Hey.
Oh, this looks really fun.
Oh, yeah. Hey, right, or right, your left.
Say my left?
Yeah, your left. Plenty of underhand grab, or we're gonna have to do the phone. Yeah.
No, I got it.
You might need some hands for that.
Easy down climb. That is a fat spider.
I know.
Dude, I'm not trying to go through spiders again anytime soon. I am still traumatized.
Throw it on now, we'll make it. Perfect.
Sweet.
Never been back to
Oh, I can dig this.
Yeah. Good job. Don't get
Yeah.
used to it. We're going in that crack.
We're going in where?
That crack.
That crack right there? Alright.
Yo, I'm here. We're gonna go like.
Go this way first? Dude, this is awesome.
I know.
So open.
Going around it, man.
Dude, that looks insane. Whew. It's a big rock.
That's like snow, dude.
That is so white.
No.
So much crystals, yeah.
Holy crap.
Dude, that is insane.
Huge. What do you guys find?
Dude, look at this. This is insane.
Ooh, crystal pockets. Okay. That's cool.
It's awesome. Like that's just a little hole in it where the water's been dripping.
Got the little rimstone dams in them.
Yeah. That's crazy. Oh, it's dripping now. It just turned on.
That's weird.
What? That's weird.
Somebody turned the knob on.
Yeah.
This thing just started dripping super fast out of nowhere. Going right into the hole.
It's crazy.
What they keep telling you.
Alright, dudes, we're back at the crack. We're going down it now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got a rope too.
I was gonna say, you don't technically have everything. No, you need a backup of everything.
I've got 4 options.
I'm gonna say they took the ball out right here.
That one's a spider. I wouldn't say two. Much more with that way it looks recording. It's all my thing.
All right. Oh, there's a spider down here. Once again, first thing, a spider.
Everywhere,
I got Ryan tying his shoe. Look at that action. Man. This thing just keeps going. It's another adventure on every turn. We're at the pit.
No, this ain't a pit.
Bro, that's 60, 70.
It's a pit, I guess. You can climb down in it too, pretty easy, but
But you don't want to slip down into it.
I don't say you don't want to fall down into it. Keep your legs out. You can actually go across this side over here.
Crawl through that thing?
Yeah, but I think there's a hard spot on
There's a
the
very hard spot on the other side.
And then you just open up into a big dome.
Hey, dude, that's a little far down.
Yeah, it's every bit of 70. It goes further than you would think.
Yeah, I'm noticing that.
Here, let's make him some room.
That's crazy.
Not much. Make him a little bit of room.
I'm on the edge of death over here too. I better move across here.
It does get wide to the deepest point.
Yep.
Whew. That's sketchy.
Very. Nothing but a prison.
Okay.
More than once.
We're at the first pit.
That's not bad.
No, it's not too bad. We'll get it with the shorts.
Muncher.
Nah, I got it. All right.
Yeah, I was gonna say use the descension method I showed you on elevator. Like how smooth that is.
Going into the crack. Am I just going into this crack right here?
No, you're going across that crack the other direction.
Like behind me?
Yeah, like over there.
Okay.
You're just gonna get off the rope right there and start worming your way across the crack, getting out of everybody's way.
All right.
You can't go too far with the free deck to start laying down.
Off rope. All right, made it.
Oh yeah, this is enough.
All right, so we're actually going up first. Check out this area.
Oh, snap.
So many crystals everywhere. Dude, this formation looks, I don't even know. Very alien.
Put it free right here.
More than 20 years ago. Right above your head.
We at the dome?
These are the new walls. Like those.
That's crazy.
You did not use them. Yeah.
All right, dudes.
You got 5.
We are at the pit. This thing It's deep.
When we get down here, I'm gonna love to show it.
Go!
No.
Somewhat.
Let's rappel.
Some stuff like one stainless.
Well, we're on bottom, yeah.
I heard some deals.
Time to go down.
I gave like $18 for this and then went on.
That's pretty heavy, dude.
Alright. I'm on.
15 years ago.
Good luck, good luck.
Going down. This is a tight squeeze, I'll tell you that much.
You just we good.
Oh yeah.
I hear it. I hear it popping.
Dude, there's an old rope right here with knots in it.
Okay, so somebody has free climb down.
I want to see this.
You want to go after Edward or before it?
There's no way, yeah, it's a free headline down here. Old battery right there. Yeah, we are on the bottom.
Good, good.
Dude, this is awesome.
It's deep, man.
This is very deep. All right, off rope.
Alright.
Yeah, that crack is a fun one.
Oh, yeah.
Lumen light.
We didn't even really see it up there. We're around the ledge.
Oh, well, let me do it again then.
Make sure you look at it this time.
Yeah. 75,000 lumen light.
You brought the sun into a cave. That's insane.
Can't see them because it's
That's what I'm saying. Like, it's so bright. All right, climb up these boulders. We got a thing called Razorback Crawl. So tight right here.
Oh yeah. To a Razorback.
Whew. I think it's easy to wedge yourself in this.
Oh, I see you can't hit the floor.
Whew, got standing right here.
Not bad.
Water.
Water crazy.
Yeah. I think this might be the actual Razorback. Maybe it's been a warm-up that we just did. Oh. That looks funky right there. There's a popcorn on the floor. It's everywhere.
Yeah, it's wild. It's like freshly paved.
Yeah, it really does look like that. It's gooey looking.
Look at these things up here.
Yeah, dude, all the popcorn.
Alien.
What up?
That was you, your brother come with me, right? Yeah. We listened to y'all like huff and puff the entire way down there. Like he was the whole time.
Oh.
I don't understand why they done that. And we're standing, you know, we're literally just standing there like, I don't know why they're doing that either.
Yeah, y'all are standing right now. I'm jealous. I'm trying to get out here. Which way did you go, Edward? You go right or left?
Come with me.
Alright.
This is pretty simple to navigate too. Yeah. Even if you took me way over here, we still gotta go back over there to get to the big tunnel. Yeah.
All this white stuff gypsum.
Yeah.
Is that pretty standard in all caves? Is that what that white stuff is in all caves?
Not all caves. They're standing in a good bit of them.
That's the same stuff drywall's made out of, right?
Yeah.
They don't actually do they mine that out?
They used to. I don't know if they do it anymore.
Oh, it's like synthetic now.
I think so. Dude, heck yeah. Whew. That is what I am talking about. Heck yeah.
And it goes good ways this way.
Big old room. This is nice.
See the trail.
Yeah, it's a nice little trail for us.
Basement of the cave now.
Oh, this is so nice. These rooms are huge.
Dude, they're like, I don't know how to explain it. They're like furry rocks. Like slide across it. It's the craziest feeling.
Whoa.
Right?
That is a very weird feeling.
I have never seen anything like that.
It's so interesting. All these formations, the broken straws. It's so white. Yeah. Just melted into the ground. Just it's a shame all these straws though that are broke. I know. I bet it looked way better before.
Is that out there? Yeah, where's your big rock?
Right there.
Dude, that is
We gotta go over there.
that is insane.
Yeah.
I'll take a picture of that.
Caminando por el mundo del rey, toda la cosa que he encontrado, todo el amor obsesionado, vida por la línea de la costa, escucho la belleza de tu risa, nunca jamás te dejo de mi vista, siempre listo, siempre dispuesta, sin parar, parar.
Felt like I was doing
Alright. The rock slide here.
do a superhero landing. Go.
Superhero landing. Oh,
That was it.
that was a superhero landing. Dude, these formations. That's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa right there.
Look at the way it just follows the cracks.
Yeah.
Perfectly.
Dude, that's insane. These are so beautiful. It's like the cathedral, I guess. This one, yeah.
For some reason, I felt like that was deeper than it was.
That's wild.
The way it keeps going down there too. Dude, there's so many more formations.
Oh, have you not gone back this way before?
No.
Dude, this is huge.
I think there's a little formation ball right there. We're looking at that little squeeze over there. I think it connects to this.
Dude, there's so many formations. They just don't end.
Dude, this is a very cool halactite.
That's crazy. Woo, that is slippery. Dude, it's just like everything is like a museum exhibit, you know? It's so beautiful. That is awesome. It's doing it really good justice right now. I recommend it. Oh, there's water right there. Brimstone Dam. There's just like little bits of white mixed in with this formation too.
Dude, you have to check this one out, man. It's straight like brown on one side, white on the other.
You see the way it ends? Like it like kind of drops off of those.
Look at that. That's a Neapolitan without the strawberry. What about this one where it's just white in the middle now?
Oh yeah, it's just dripping from above.
Dude, that's crazy. Like the little, it looks like sponge effect that it gives this stuff sometimes.
There's that one now.
So beautiful.
Here's some dripping. Oh man.
This is the big round. This is it.
Dude, that is a formation.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this camera.
Go up to this thing.
Crystals on this. That is a big formation.
Yeah.
That is wild. Dude, there's more formations to the right. Just a big old mound of formations. That is.
Oh, this phone is so much better than my GoPro.
Even this dome right here.
Dude, all of this is just insane. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures in here.
Sin parar, sin parar, parar. Sembrando el amor sin parar.
Alright, so Edward's going up this sketchy rope. Yeah, we will.
Hey, these two rocks got
That didn't sound good.
Dude, that metal plate bending.
Oh god.
Great. Oh, pretty high up.
That one didn't look like it holds up.
You hang on to both these ropes or just one?
All four of them.
I've noticed that too a little bit. Alright, dude, so didn't go anywhere, they're coming back down. Dude, that is That's funky looking for sure.
It looks so melted down there.
Yeah. Dude, that is wild.
Yeah.
That's so just like, it's like unloaded like video game.
Yeah. It's not quite rendered yet.
Yeah. Christmas tree over there. Two of them. A couple columns. It's just, it's crazy the size of this room, and then just all of these formations in it too. Like that's like a good 8-foot tall formation. Just the way the layers stack too. Bunch of natural debris down here.
Do what?
There's a bunch of natural debris down here.
I was gonna say, you can see this creek pours though when it floods.
Oh yeah. And these formations, beautiful.
Oh, she goes, huh?
Pushing on past the formation route.
This is rough.
Yeah. That's why I say get your knee pads ready.
Yeah.
Oh, it's opening up.
Heck yeah.
Look at this giant float right here.
Whoo, that is water right there. How about straight into that?
Oh, there's a crawfish.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all floating.
Oh yeah, that is.
It's like terrace.
Whole thing. The whole room's a flowstone.
Yeah, it goes all
Yeah. Dude,
Imagine if this was running.
that is crazy.
These are the coolest helmets I could have put
Oh.
back there.
The whole room's a flowstone.
Yeah.
Hey, look, there's signs of the lizard people right there.
Dude, look how black this flowstone is.
Dang.
Hey, this is
Look like someone spray painted black.
For some reason, I felt like it got bigger when I got here.
Dude, it got a whole lot bigger.
It's bigger on this side than it is this side.
Oh, okay.
Dude, these ceilings are flat.
I know we could just replace one on the ground and one on the ceiling at any time.
Yeah. Dude, that keeps going.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, that looks awesome. So fragmented. Huge everywhere.
Goes up, but also down.
Oh, there's like a super long formation over there.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not all of
Dude.
This is gnarly. Whoa, look at that flowstone.
Stream. Heck yeah. Dude, look at that. That looks crazy. You say you found fish down there? Don't say you found a fish?
Yeah, there's a bunch of
Fish.
fish. Like cave fish.
Like a fish, like a sucker fish you put in your aquarium, but it's like tiger stuff.
Hey, watch out, Jacob.
Hang.
Under here. Right here.
What?
And he is alive. Hopefully that made that way better.
That is awesome.
Yeah, we're really not that far underground.
Yeah.
Dude, that's crazy. Every time it drips in the water, it creates like a dirt smoke ring in the water.
Blood on
Whoa.
his feet.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
There it goes.
Nice.
That's gnarly.
That's pretty sick. You can tell it's flowing.
Yeah.
Flowing good.
I was kind of expecting this to be pretty high, but you can tell there's a rock right there and it's been wet in the wall.
Yeah. This is beautiful. Wow. Push up the rim. Wow. These formations along the walls, that's just crumble right through there. Oh, that looks wild. A fractured rock. It's carved out. Just on the shelf. It's beautiful.
Edward pushed it far enough to where it started looking like ear dippers eventually, and it's raining outside, so we're not trying to
Get in that.
yeah, we're not trying to do any ear dippers in no rain. We're lucky that the water flow is kind of low.
That is a
Big
huge crawfish right
It's a
there.
lobster. Oh my god. Dude, it's a lobster.
That is so big.
Dude, that is huge.
This right here don't have no feeling.
Look, we got another lobster. Oh yeah.
See, look, we're
Foot for
18
scale.
down.
Yeah.
We're 18 to go, man.
All right.
We're going to be having a crawfish bowl.
That's how you know you can live in the caves if worse comes to worse, you know?
Right? That's true, honestly.
All right, dudes, so we're heading back to the waterfall room. Edward said that passage is gonna be for another day. That must mean it goes. So we will absolutely come back for that. We're gonna go check out a waterfall now. All right, dudes, so we're back at where we came down from. We're checking out this other side now. It's super deep.
Still walking through these big giant hallways. This rail started.
Dude, heck no. There we got another formation room here on the right. That is beautiful over there. Stuff's just staying huge. Dude, that's...
This whole room.
Yeah, the mood just shifted. Take a picture of this. It's crazy. This room is massive. This looks insane. There's like slate or something. Just wild formations. They're so beautiful. That is... wow. it's like transparent right there. That's crazy. Dude, just all these formations just everywhere. They're way on up ahead. The scale of this room is just, it's just huge. I mean, they're probably like a good 100 foot in front of me. And this room, just like right here, that's probably like 40 foot tall. It's probably close to like 60 foot wide. Just keeps on going. Oh, and we're walking on like flowstone. I just realized that. Dude, is that a waterfall? Dude, that is crazy. See these crystals running too. Yeah. It's like alien life, yeah.
Pearl. Silicon life from another world.
Yeah.
Lizard people. This one.
Oh, that one's crazy too.
This
Oh, wow.
Wait, it's a pit?
That is crazy.
I don't even think they seen that.
Oh, dude, that looks rough.
Up there.
Oh, it's that deep. Definitely put the wall when you come over here. Big old ledge in front of you.
Whew. Made it through. Alright, dudes, well, that's like a dead end. Playing with dinosaur eggs right now.
Hacky sack.
Well, we're about to head back. Oh, that is a lot heavier than you'd expect. Alright, back at the dome. Alright, on rope. Alright, dudes, at the entrance. Whew. We'll have to go back, check out the rest of it. I'll make sure you go check out Edward, Action Adventure Twins. Yeah. Ryan, Underground Adventures. Jacob at Mineral Dude. We'll see y'all next time.